I'd like to talk about Tokyo, a city I visited last year. What struck me was the unique blend of traditional and modern culture. From ancient temples to cutting-edge technology, it was fascinating. The local customs, such as bowing and gift-giving, were really interesting. I was surprised by the attention to detail in everyday interactions. For instance, the respectful way people queue and wait for trains was impressive. Overall, it was a truly enriching experience that broadened my perspective. I definitely recommend Tokyo to anyone looking for a cultural adventure.
For more practice, start free trial. Link in bio.